In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a space before a capital letter in Excel efficiently and effortlessly. This is a handy trick that can make your data much easier to read, especially when dealing with concatenated strings or names that need uniform spacing. So let's dive right in. First, you want to start by opening your Excel sheet. Make sure that your data is neatly organized in a column and ready to be modified. It's always a good idea to have a look at your data to understand where exactly you'll need those spaces inserted. Now, this method is especially useful when you have multiple entries that follow the same pattern, as it automates the task, saving you lots of manual effort. Next, we will utilize one of Excel's neat features called Flash Fill. Flash Fill is exceptionally useful for recognizing patterns and automating repetitive formatting tasks. So, in the column next to your existing data, you're going to type the first entry with a space before each capital letter. Essentially, you're creating a template for Excel to identify the pattern you want applied to the rest of the data. Be mindful as you type this example, ensuring you place that space precisely where needed. Once you've inputted your example, and with the cell still selected, the next step is to press Ctrl+E on your keyboard. This is the shortcut for Flash Fill. When you do this, Excel starts its magic, analyzing the pattern you've demonstrated. In the blink of an eye, it will fill down the rest of the column with the spaces perfectly inserted before every capital letter, as per your example. And there you have it. Excel takes over to seamlessly add spaces to the remaining entries. This not only saves you time, but also ensures consistency and accuracy across your entire data set. Before wrapping everything up, take a moment to review the changes. It's just a quick check to make sure everything looks just right. If you find any discrepancies, they can usually be adjusted manually. That's the beauty of combining manual and automated tweaks. Also, remember that this approach works best with consistent patterns in your data. If your entries are sporadic or uncommon, you might need to employ more advanced functions or scripts. I hope this short tutorial has equipped you with a time-saving tool to enhance your Excel skills. Fluent data presentation often requires such tweaks, and understanding these simple yet potent tricks can significantly improve your productivity. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more tips and tricks on making Excel work for you. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.